We're doing this b30 Volvo engine build. We do not know what we're doing, we're gonna work on it and we're gonna try it. But yeah, this thing came out of a Volvo 240. Was going to be retrofitted into a boat, but it actually never made it in there. So yeah.
And it's been sitting in our yard for about 3 years.
Right now I'm working on these pistons, and yeah, they're pretty screwed. If you can see that right there, they're like rusted up to the point where I can't even like get them moving. They're supposed to be spinning, and how do I do this? Oh, right there. See that? It's pretty much flat. I can pretty much shove this piston back inside the engine without even compressing these things. It's supposed to look like this right here. You guys see that? See these rings? They're actually moving. They're spinning and whatnot. And you won't put this in without a compressor, the thing that squishes it. But yeah.
We got that piston at a raffle.
But yeah. Pistons are all out. Thing was sitting in there for like maybe 2 years now. But hey, the actual block is actually pretty good, so not too shabby. See that? Yeah, it's great.
So please like and subscribe, and yeah.
Yeah, stay tuned. This thing will be up and running on a pallet soon. Bro, I'm literally out here labeling stuff and whatnot, putting ones and stuff. And look at that. See that? This sucker's already labeled, bro. Wait, wrong side. Dumbass. Right there. Bruh. I don't even gotta worry about this labeling crap. Lit. Yeah, I'm using diesel to fill this bottle up with it. I'm gonna clean it with the diesel, because brake clean is way too expensive, and screw that. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put the journals, yeah, whatever these things are called, on here, so that I can shove it in some diesel and then like soak it up so I can get these rings off, because they're literally stuck. And then yeah, right here, crank is turning, but it should be turning with my hand, not the wrench. See, it's kind of turning. I don't know, maybe need to change the bearings on here too, but we'll see. Alright, I've got the bottle full of diesel now. I'm gonna just clean up all of this, clean up the crank inside. I don't know if I'm gonna take it apart yet inside here, like take off the, I don't know what these are called, to be honest. The bearing holders, I guess I'll call it that. But inside this engine, there's like trash in here. There's like pine needles, I guess. I don't even know, man. But it's all gotta be out of here, because the worst thing that can happen to inside an engine is foreign debris. We don't need that. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean this thing up and we'll see where it goes. Yeah, clean up the cylinder walls now. You know, they are not that bad. They're kind of rusty, but I think honing them out will just do the trick. This right here, though, I don't know what I should do. Maybe I should just take this whole thing apart and just take it to the machine shop, but that's money. If anyone knows how to do clean this up on the top, leave a comment. That'd be dope.
We're at Harbor Freight right now, getting a torque wrench. I'm not sure if we should get the $89 one or the $19 one.
Maybe let's just get the $19 one and do a little review on it.
And then maybe return it.
You guys want to see that? Maybe we can like break it or something. So right now we're cleaning up the journals for the main bearings. We're going to be oiling them up and putting back the, I don't know what those things are called.